want to publish a book. That's awesome, but let's be real. The process can feel overwhelming, right? Don't worry, we've got your back. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through the essential steps to getting your book from idea to bookshelf. Step 1. Nail your manuscript. Before you even think about publishing, make sure your first draft is finished, then polish, edit, and revise. Trust me, your future readers will thank you. And hey, don't be afraid to ask for help from writing groups or a consultant. Sometimes, a fresh pair of eyes makes all the difference. Step 2. Decide your path, either traditional or self-publishing. Traditional publishing involves querying agents or publishers, hoping that they'll fall in love with your title. You'll need patience, a lot of it, but you can get support with editing, design, and marketing. Self-publishing, on the other hand, gives you, the author, complete control, but you'll be wearing all the hats, meaning you're the author, editor, marketer, and more. If you're looking for a sweet spot between the two, working with a publishing consultant might be the right choice. A consultant allows you to keep control and ownership over your publishing process, while still giving you expert guidance every step of the way, so you're not figuring it all out alone. It's the perfect balance of creative freedom and professional support. You'll have to decide what works best for you. Step 3. Prepare your materials. If you're going traditional, you're going to need a killer query letter and probably a synopsis. For self-publishing, you'll want to focus on formatting your manuscript for print and probably ebook, plus designing a standout cover. Don't skim out here. A great cover and a well-formatted book can make all the difference. Here, outsourcing to a consultant might come in handy. Step 4. Submit your work. For traditional publishing, you'll need to send your query to agents or publishers that work with your genre. Be patient. Rejection is part of the journey. For self-publishing, choose a platform: Amazon, IngramSpark, or any other. There are dozens to choose from. Then, upload your files to their specifications. Having an expert to help you here can go a long way. Step 5. Market your book. No matter which platform you choose, marketing is key. Build yourself an author platform. Think social media, a website, or simply just telling everyone you know. Reach out to bloggers, run giveaways, or run paid ads. Just get creative. And finally, step 6. Celebrate. Seriously, publishing a book is a huge accomplishment. Take a moment to enjoy it. Then, start thinking about your next project and keep writing. The more you write, the better you get. So there you go. From finished manuscript to marketing magic. Publishing a book is a journey. But you got this. Now, go make your story happen.